Hello traders, good evening all. Risk disclaimer: all information on this video is for educational purpose only and does not intend to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. So what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today? Market opened flat, broke this 10,737 POC, stayed completely inside. Kind of what we call it as a kind of open auction, as price try to kiss the open or auction near the open. Okay, then all of a sudden it started cracking. Yesterday in the video we mentioned, until this doesn't reach, okay, this low is not reached, okay, this remains bullish on higher time frame context. Okay, so that's what happened here. It took a support here, it started scaling up, and it completely auctioned within previous days range. Just auctioned within previous days range. So what happened in Bank Nifty was a clear thing. Okay, it went open drive down. It drive down. It couldn't push below IB low. The IB low rejected. Okay, then once the VWAP had been crossed, Bank Nifty started spiking. So even this single print resistance had been cleared here. So this open drive, if it broken the IB low with momentum, this would have tested this VPOC 21,877, but IB low doesn't broke, it rejected, and this one started scaling higher. Okay, on Nifty the same case. Yesterday's A period singles, this tail got rejected, and this one also start scaled higher. Today I was very sure about this. We had an open high where most of the traders would have shorted with the stop loss above this open high. Okay, so I expected this spike could have taken this open high, but at the end of the day they went and took it. So this usually happens during an uptrend. Okay, on an uptrend I never trust an open high, especially on index when the heavy weights are used for index management. So that is what happened here. So what is likely going forward? So basically, if you see, this is the zone which we mentioned yesterday is a strong bearish zone. Okay, so 820 mark, this 840 mark, so this is a strong resistance. Okay, gap. So for though as I said, the context remains bullish, but this is not a zone to enter longs. If you entered long at highs yesterday, definitely I'm saying this down move, the new longs, I'm talking about the new longs. If you entered a new long here, then this down move would panic you and you would have got out. Okay, or even if you entered a long here, this down move panicked you and you would have got out. So that's why I always say during resistance, I mean the area of resistance, never try to enter a long at highs until unless a momentum break happens. For example, let's say 10,840 is a resistance tomorrow. Okay, I need a momentum break. Let price break 840 and goes above 860, 870. On the pullback, I will be buying, looking for this 10,920 VPOC. Okay, that's how you need to play. Rather than if 10,840 is a resistance, if price is struggling to cross here, it makes a breakout and comes down. Okay, like that kind of price action, if it happens, then what happens is the late longs will get caught. On a retracement, they will get panicked, though the context remains bullish, but the area where you entered long is a bad trade location. Okay, that's how it plays. So this current auction conveys me that bulls are getting tired. Okay, bulls are getting tired. So any sort of rejection here, I will be entering a swing short. Okay, my targets, as I said, I'm looking for this 10,570 mark going forward. For that, see, though I have a heads up for this setup for 10,570, that doesn't mean I will randomly enter. I want a kind of price action, I want a kind of rejection, I want a kind of momentum breakdown to happen. Then I will be entering the short trade looking for this as a target. Though my reading says that sooner or later we are going to test 10,570, but I need price action to confirm it. Okay, so any rejection here around 820 or 840 marks, price starts bidding down. Okay, scaling down, and if that breaks 10,760, that is my signal for swing short. I will be accumulating monthly puts. My targets, as I said, 10,570 will be my target. That is my swing idea. For intraday tomorrow, until unless we don't get breached this 10,760, if it is a gap up movement, it remains bullish. Targets remains 10,820 and 840. For strong bullish move, 10,840 need to be breached and cross 10,870 mark. On the pullback, I will be buying, looking for 10,920 VPOC zone. Okay, as I mentioned 2 days back, if this 10,840 850 zone gets contained, then 11k is on cards. And secondly, if 10,760 gets broken, then I will be looking for a short. My target should be 10,725 and 707. Okay, so tomorrow's open is very, very crucial. Apart from open, the first 1 hour auction is very, very crucial as well. And Bank Nifty, it cleared this selling tail, I mean this resistance zone, this supply zone. So in case if we open flat, so 22,700, okay, to 800 remains my reference level for any bullish move. If 22,800 get crossed, then on the pullback I will be buying, looking for 23,000 and 23,100. okay, in case if it is a gap down open, I mean open around 22,500 and breaks 22,400 mark, on the pullback I will be shorting, looking for 22,125 and even 22,000. This time it can easily go for 21,877. So I am more interested on short if this price action happens, if this open happens. Okay, that is for Bank Nifty. So on OI front, 11,000 still remains the highest call open interest, and 10,500 and 10,600 or put open interest, then 10,000 as well. Okay, so any move above this 10,850 mark, this highest open interest 11k will be targeted. So tomorrow's open is very, very important. Bajaj Fin was a good long today. It was closed above previous resistance, and today it opened gap up. It started driving higher, and once this get broke, and this was an easy long. Okay, this is more of like a continuation move. And I'm watching Axis Bank tomorrow because it closed around resistance zone here. In case if we get a gap down open, okay, say like if Axis Bank opens around 445 and keeps driving lower, okay, so if 440 gets breached on pullback, I will be shorting, looking for 430 as my target. This is one trade idea I am looking for tomorrow. So that's it, guys. And moreover, this is the market where most of you will lose big money. Okay, because if you see the spread, especially today's spread, Nifty was having a spread of 4 to 5 points. It was very weird to me. And if you see, the volume happened on Nifty was highest. Okay, nearly about 14 after this trend day. Okay, I mean sorry, in Bank Nifty. Okay, nearly about 8,418k volume had happened. So we need to watch actually what is the theme for tomorrow, what is the open for tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for today. So have a fantastic night and have a great trading day tomorrow. As always, respect your risk, protect your capital. There is always another day. Live for another trading day. Okay, that should be your motto. Take care all. Good night.